Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez, and today I want to share a delicious, gorgeous, smelling, beautiful face toner made out of rose water as well as a witch hazel that has been steeping with a rosemary and lavender. So I had made a video previously that I show how I just put rosemary and lavender with witch hazel, and now I want to combine um, 1/4 of a cup of each and combine them together to make this delicious, yummy, face toner for the face. And why a face toner? Well, a face toner is great to make the skin pores smaller. So what I'm using is 1/4 of a cup, and then I'm going to use 1/4 of rose water petals. And rose water is so beautiful, smells so delicious. So witch hazel and rose water. I know some people sometimes even add vinegar, but at this point I just want to do witch hazel and rose water. So as you can see, I'm actually sterilized this glass jar, and I'm recycling. This is a Honey Ben's Pure Sugar Shack, and I love their honey, and I love reusing their jars. And so what I have here, it's some dry petals from roses that I have collected, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to my jar, as well as a little bit of lavender, because lavender is so soft and it's just so soothing. And I want my experience of this toner to be beautiful and stunning, right? And I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon peels, yeah, just like a pinch, you know. And so what I'm gonna do is, once this is done, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, because this should last me for at least a week or so, right? So look at this, beautiful. So I have created rose water toner. I didn't have to add the flowers. However, I just wanted to kind of just have more of the medicinal properties of rose and lavender, and just like you know, I want to create. Oh, this is so gorgeous. It smells like a beautiful, beautiful cologne. So what I'm gonna get is a spritz bottle, and spray it on my face, or get a cotton ball. I am also thinking that I'm gonna get another cute bottle and put it in a cute bottle like this one. Look at how cute that is, right? To put your little creative medicinal herb adventures in, right? So you could always recycle, and then once your creation is done, you could put it in a beautiful bottle to decorate with, and it's, you know, it's purposeful, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, make a comment. I mean, you might make a different recipe. Let me know how it goes. I have skin that is not super oily or dried, so it's just perfect to have the combination of a skin toner that, you know, really makes my skin feel toned and alive, right? And it's really natural products. I'm making it myself. There's no chemicals, and I know what I put in it, and I know it's good for me and my aura, my whole energy. May you have a blissful, beautiful, and blessed day. Thank you.